What's going on, guys? It's the Kid Beats here. Just thought that I'd bring you here a quick little video tutorial on how to tune your 808s. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so first you wanna pick the 808 that you want for the beat. Let me turn this up so y'all can hear. Let me turn it up some more. Alright, so how you tune the 808s is you go on the 808 and you right click it, go to edit. And you got this little flag tool, whatever this is, I guess. You can go click on that and go down, tech pitch regions. Alright, this 808 is in the key of G flat. So go to your wrench tool, look for the G note, D, E, F, G, oh, G flat, sorry. If you click the wrong note, you can just press reset, G flat. All right, so now the 808 is tuned. So now you're good to go on your beat. This is just a quick little video tutorial on how to tune your 808s. If you guys like it, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be bringing more content. It's the Kid Beats checking out.